Today we're gonna cook okra and saltfish. So we're gonna need half pound of okra, 1 large onion, a teaspoon of thyme leaf, half scotch bonnet pepper, a piece of ginger cut to half the size of your thumb, quarter piece of sweet pepper, half teaspoon of pimento seed, quarter teaspoon of nutmeg, a teaspoon of dried parsley or fresh parsley, a teaspoon of dried basil or fresh basil, quarter cup of oil, 2 small tomatoes or 1 medium-sized tomato, 4 garlic cloves. Now for okra and saltfish, this is okra. Everybody should, and this is okra. Whatever. Try and get it as clean as possible because I really don't like these black marks, but if you can't, it's okay. So now we're gonna prep it. This is half pound. So this is how you prep it. You just do like this and remove this. Do it for all of them. Do it for every one of them. Now that you wash these and cut off the top and the bottom, we're gonna dice these. So you do dice it by about 1/4 inch in thickness. Okay, so once they're diced, you just take them and put them in a plate. Put them in a plate and cover it and let it stay until we're ready for it again. Put to eat a frying pan for stewing on gauge 8. After 1 minute, add the oil. After 1 minute, add the seasoning. After 1 minute, add the then add the seasoning. After 30 seconds, add okra. Then add the water. 1 cup. Put the stove on 4. Now this is how it looks after 8 minutes. So now you're going to turn the stove on low. Low, and just let it simmer. Now, after 12 minutes, a total of 12 minutes, we're going to add half quarter cup of ketchup and just stir this in and turn it off. And cover it. okra and saltfish. Okra and saltfish. Ripe plantain, okra. Ripe plantain and okra and saltfish. Ripe plantain with okra and saltfish. Okra and boiled ripe plantains.